Ma'am, we are live now. You can go. Madam, we are live now. You can start.
Shall we begin?
Yes,
Madam,
madam. Please.
we are live. You can start the proceedings, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I, Madhur Srivastava, Company Secretary of the company, and on behalf of the company, I welcome all the members to the company's 8th Annual General Meeting. The meeting is being held through video conference in compliance with Companies Act 2013 and circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The company has engaged the services of Central Depository Services India Limited, CDSL, to provide remote e-voting facility and e-voting facility during the AGM. As stated in the notice convening this 8th Annual General Meeting that the AGM is being held virtually, the facility for appointment of proxies by the members is not available. Members attending this 8th AGM through audio-visual means shall be counted for the purpose of reckoning the quorum under Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. Those members who have not cast their votes yet electronically have an opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting through the e-voting system. The e-voting facility will continue to be available for 15 minutes after the meeting ends. For the smooth conduct of the proceedings, all the members will be in mute mode. The company has received requests from few members to register them as speakers at the meeting. Accordingly, audio and video facility will be enabled for those members when the forum is open for question and answer session. The proceedings of this annual general meeting will be recorded and transcript of the same will be made available on the website of the company. We have the following members attending from the registered office: Mr. Raghunath Guntupalli, Managing Director; Mr. K. Reddy, Director; Mr. Bimal Goradia, Director; Mrs. Pooja Kalidindi, Director; Mr. M.V. Subbarao Kolluri, Additional Director, Independent Category; Mr. D.V.S.N. Raju, Additional Director, Independent Category; Mr. D. Sarsuram, CFO; Mrs. B. Nirmala, General Manager, Finance and Accounts. We also have the invitees attending from the registered office: Mr. Bhanu Prakash, partner of Messrs. Bhanu Murli and co-statutory auditors; Mr. D. Balaram Krishna, scrutinizer. As the company has no regular chairperson, I request the members to elect one among themselves as the chairperson for this annual general meeting.
Yeah, I propose Mr. Raghunath Guntupalli as chairperson.
I second it.
Mr. Raghunath Guntupalli is unanimous. Now I request the chairperson to address the members. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome you all to the company's 8th annual general meeting. Before I begin, I would like to know that the quorum of the meeting is present.
Yes, sir. We have about 30 participants, and this complies the requirement of quorum.
I call this meeting to order. I, Guntupalli Raghunath, Managing Director, have been elected as chairperson of this 8th annual general meeting of the company. Take an immense pleasure in welcoming my colleagues on this board, distinguished invitees, and all the esteemed shareholders to our 8th annual general meeting. I am delighted with the collective efforts made by the company and the CDSL team to enable shareholders to participate and cast their vote through electronic means on the items being considered at this meeting. Moving ahead, the annual report of your company for the year 2024-25 will consist of the annual general meeting notice, director's report, standalone, the consolidated auditor's report, and audited financial statements respectively. Have already been circulated to you. The kind attention of the distinguished shareholders, ladies and gentlemen, I now begin the proceedings of this meeting. I would like to present to you all a brief overview of performance of your company on a standalone and consolidated basis during financial year 2024-25. Total income standalone is 30.07 crores and consolidated 76.03. Profit before tax 12.99 crores, consolidate 20.75 crores. Profit after tax standalone 11.93 crores, consolidate 16.99 crores. Moving on the performance of Hydro Division of Bhartiya Industries Private Limited, being our subsidiary. The Hydro Division has recorded a net revenue of rupees 17.21 crores, with a profit after tax of rupees 2.6 crores for the financial year 2024-25. In comparison, net revenue of Hydro Division in the previous year was rupees 16.35 crores with a PAT of rupees 3.88 crores. The fall in the net revenue of the division was primarily due to change in the depreciation policy, which impacted profit of rupees 1.55 crores. Now coming back to our company, to your company, your board has recommended a final dividend at the rate 17.5%. That is 1.75 per equity share. Based on the strong overall standalone performance during the financial year 2024-25. Final dividend in the previous financial year was 15%, that is 1 rupee 50 paisa per equity share. Moving forward, I would like to share the estimated annual performance of your company on standalone basis for the ongoing financial year, that is 2025-26. During ongoing financial year, your company was able to get the plots in the state of Andhra Pradesh being allotted and registered in the name of company as against the land previously given to the government of Andhra Pradesh for land pooling to their capital city. Estimated annual income could be around 11.72 crores with a projected gross profit of rupees 3.75 crores. Further, an annual income of rupees 4.4 crores is estimated to be earned in course of business from dividend, rent, interest on corporate loans, sale of current investments. Now moving on to the estimated annual performance of the subsidiaries Hydro Division for the ongoing financial year. Contribution in the form of annual net revenue is estimated to be around 17.5 crores with a PAT at around 3.6 crores. Let me now share our future course of action for your company's real estate activity. In order to deliver on our long-term strategy in our real estate operations, we are investing in further land bank at potential areas. We are confident that we will perform well and the strategic investments would help us in securing competitive earnings in a profitable market conditions in coming years. However, the present market is softened in the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I request Madhu to proceed further.
Thank you, sir. As the notice is already circulated to all the members, the notice convening the meeting is being the standalone and consolidated audit report submitted by Messrs. Bhanumurli and Co. statutory auditors for the financial year 24-25 is already with all and is being taken as read. We now take up the resolutions as set forth in the notice. In terms of the notice of the 8th annual general meeting, the items of ordinary business to be considered at this meeting are: item number 1, to receive, consider and adopt the standalone audited financial statements for the financial year ended 31st March 2025, together with the reports of the auditors and the directors thereon, and the consolidated audited financial statements for the financial year ended 31st March 2025, together with the report of the auditors thereon. I request the statutory auditor to express any views on the audit report submitted by them.
Good morning, everybody. So both the standalone and the consolidated are unqualified opinions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Item number 2, to approve the final equity dividend at the rate of 17.5% on face value of rupees 10, that is rupees 1.75 per equity share for the financial year 24-25. Item number 3, to appoint a director in place of Mrs. Pooja Kaligindi, who retires by rotation and being eligible offers herself for reappointment. In addition to the above mentioned ordinary business, the following special businesses are also to be considered in this meeting. Item number 4, to consider and approve the regularization of appointment of Mr. Maruti Venkat Subba Rao Koluri as an independent director of the company. Item number 5, to consider and approve the regularization of appointment of Mr. Dandu Venkata Satya Narasimha Raju as an independent director of the company. The text of the resolutions along with the explanatory statement is provided in the notice which had been circulated to the members. Upon conclusion of the meeting, Mr. D. Balram Krishna, the scrutinizer appointed by the company, would compile the details of the votes and submit his report. The result of the voting on each resolution would then be displayed on the website of the company within the next 3 working days. Now we will go live with question and answer session. But before we go live with the question and answers, here are some points to note for everyone's convenience. The names of the pre-registered speakers will be announced one by one. The CDSL host will enable the audio and video of the speaker. Members are requested to mention their name, folio number, and location before posting any query. We will take the queries of shareholders one by one, and the answers will be provided to all the queries at the end. We will now begin the question and answer session. I request the host to enable the audio and video of Mr. Shrikant Jhawar, first speaker of the day.
सर मेरा आवाज आ रहा है सर?
Shrikant ji.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, moderator, CDSL team, respected chairman, all board of director. नमस्कार साहब, मेरा नाम श्रीकांत जवर, मैं हैदराबाद से बात कर रहा हूँ सर। आपका चेयरमैन इसमें में पूरा जो डिटेल दिया है, तो मेरा कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं है सर। आप पूरा क्लियरिटी पूरा बता चुके हैं, और मैं साथ में हमारे सेक्रेटरी टीम को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ, जो मैं मेल देने के बाद हमारे बैलेंस शीट भी मिला और इनका भी सैल्यूट करे, तो मैं सेक्रेटरी टीम को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। और हमको एनसीएल ग्रुप में फुल ट्रस्ट है कि हमारा वेल्थ हमेशा क्रिएट होता है, और हैदराबाद में लिस्टेड और अनलिस्टेड जो भी एन कैपिटल एन है, आज तक मेरे लिए बहुत वेल्थ क्रिएट हुआ है। जैसा हैदराबाद के जो भी एन लिस्टेड कंपनी और उसमें हमारा वेल्थ क्रिएट हुआ कि एनसीएल ग्रुप हमारा को ट्रस्ट है और आगे वेल्थ क्रिएट होगा। और आते सो दशहरे और दीपावली की भी शुभकामनाएं, और इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग लगी। थैंक यू।
Noted.
Okay, thank you. Now I request the host to enable the audio and video of Mr. Prabhujot Singh Sahni, second speaker of the day.
Creation.
Speaker shareholder is not connected in the meeting. You can move to the next.
ఇంతే వస్తుంది.
Sir, it is shareholder is not connected.
He is not registered.
Not connected.
వెల్త్ క్రియేషన్
We'll proceed with the third speaker, Mr. Praful Chawla.
అనుకుంటున్నాం మేము ఫ్యూచర్లో. సెకండ్ స్పీకర్ ఇది విడిపోయినట్టుంది.
Yeah, we need to allow Prapul Chawda. Yeah.
క్వశ్చన్స్ అవన్నీ రాలేదు. కార్డు వచ్చేసాడు.
हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
चेयरमैन सर, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, मेरा नाम प्रफुल चावड़ा, मैं हैदराबाद से बोल रहा हूँ। मेरा DPID क्लाइंट ID 120-135-0000-107-177 है। सर, कंपनी रियल एस्टेट में काम कर रही है, तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि अपने जो बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं वो पूरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस पे देते हैं या अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर लगाते हैं। मैंने जानकारी ऐसी पाई है कि जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस पे काम होता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लोग सस्ते लेबर को लेके आते हैं। लेबर मिलता है बांग्लादेशी और रोहिंग्या, ऐसे लेबर जो काम करते हैं इंडियन नहीं है। तो ऐसे काम में आप वेरिफिकेशन करें कि इंडियन को ही काम मिलता है ना। और मोदी जी बोले स्वदेशी, तो अपना पूरा प्रोडक्ट्स स्वदेशी है या अपने को कुछ माल इंपोर्टेड करना पड़ता है, इसके बारे में बताएंगे। अपना कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट है, नोट नंबर 12, नोट नंबर 13, नोट नंबर 15, नोट नंबर 3 नोट नंबर है, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट है, इसका रिटर्न बहुत कम मिल रहा है सर। तो फ्यूचर में क्या रिटर्न ज़्यादा मिलेगा, इसके बारे में बताएंगे। मैं बहरहाल कंपनी का इन्वेस्टर भी हूँ, फिक्स डिपॉजिट भी मेरा कंपनी ग्रुप कंपनी में है, और आने वाले फेस्टिवल की शुभकामना देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ మనమే చేస్తామా బయట వాళ్ళతో చేస్తామా లేబర్ని మనం
అది అర్థమైంది తర్వాత
రిటర్న్ తక్కువ ఉంది, చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది. ఇంకా నేను షేర్ హోల్డర్ ఇన్వెస్టర్ని, రిటర్న్ ఎక్కువ కావాలి నాకు, ఫ్యూచర్లో వస్తుంది.
డివిడెండ్ నెట్వర్క్ డివైడెడ్ బై షేర్ హోల్డర్ అంత పెరిగింది.
Now I pose to enable the audio and video of Mr. Yogesh Rasiklal Doshi, fourth speaker of the day.
Sir, we have sent the request to unmute your mic. Please unmute Mr. Yogesh Doshi.
Yogesh Doshi ji, please unmute yourself and speak.
Now he's unmute.
He didn't unmute.
Might be my speaker issue, audio issue. Asif, you can change Yogesh and you can allow later.
Okay. He joined. I think he has joined right now. Can you please check it once?
No, he is not able to speak. There is an issue with audio at
Okay.
his end only.
Okay, fine. We'll proceed with the next one. So I request the host to enable the audio and video of Mr. Suresh Chand Jain, the fifth speaker of the day.
Mr. Suresh, we have sent the request. Please unmute your mic and speak.
आवाज आ रहा है सर?
Yes, sir. Yes, go ahead.
सर बोलिए।
आदरणीय चेयरमैन सर, उपस्थित सभी डायरेक्टरगण और शेयर होल्डर साथियों, सर स्टार्टिंग से कम मैं 15-20 साल से NCL से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, और पूरे NCL के अंदर मेरे पास पूरे शेयर है। और सर मेरे को तो ये फ्री में 250 शेयर है, और आपका डिविडेंड भी मुझे प्रॉफिट के तौर पे मिल रहा है। मैं कंपनी को तथा चेयरमैन आप सर आपको तथा आपकी टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आपने जो कार्य करते हुए जा रहे, और आपने चेयरमैन स्पीच के अंदर कंपनी की पूरी रूपरेखा हमारे सामने रखी है, उसके लिए आप बधाई के पात्र हैं सर। मैं ज़्यादा कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ।
कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आपका कार्य मैं खुद देखा हूँ और मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया था। मैं सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर मैं कमल किशोर जी को लेके गया था और मेरा काम आधे एक घंटे के अंदर ही करके दे दिए, जिसका से सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट को भी मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने पूरे कार्य सफलता के साथ हमें समझाते हुए हमें जो हमारा जो कार्य किया उसके लिए सर। और बस आप कड़ी मेहनत और लगन से कार्य करिए। मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ आप दिन दुनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करते हुए आप आगे की तरफ बढ़े और जो आपने बोलने का शुभ अवसर हमें प्रदान किया उसके लिए धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं अपने विचारों को विराम देता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you, sir. Now I request the host to enable the audio and video of Mr. Kamal Kishore Jawar, the next speaker of the day.
आवाज आ रहा है सर? हेलो।
हाँ सर बोलिए।
हाँ चेयरमैन
हाँ,
सर, ऑल डायरेक्टर को मेरा नमस्कार। कमल किशोर फ्रॉम हैदराबाद। आपका चेयरमैन स्कूल बहुत वंडरफुल था, बहुत अच्छा था। ये ग्रुप में मैं कम से कम 25-30 ईयर से हूँ। ये हमें प्राइवेट प्लेस में शेयर लिए थे, बाद में डीमर्जर होने के बाद आज सबसे बड़ी तारीफ करना है एनसीएल होल्डिंग लास्ट ईयर से डिविडेंड इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ, बहुत बड़ी खुशी की बात है साहब। 17.50 मैं आपको बधाई देता हूँ, जो शेयरहोल्डर को कम से कम डिविडेंड मिल रहा है। और अपना सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट का टीम बहुत अच्छा है और हमारे स्कूल मैनेजर का भी सर्विस बहुत अच्छा है, तो मैं उनको भी बधाई देता हूँ। हमने मेल दिया, हमको टाइम पे बैलेंस शीट मिल गया सब। उससे ज्यादा मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ। इसी तरह कंटिन्यू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखिए। आते तो दशहरा दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ सर। अपना अगर लिस्टिंग का कोई चांस है तो उसके बारे में बताइए। बीएससी एनएससी समथिंग लिस्टिंग हो गया तो अपना कंपनी का मार्केट कैप बढ़ जाएगा, हर चीज बढ़ जाएगा साहब। इसके वास्ते आप ट्राई करिए। धन्यवाद साहब।
Thank you, sir. Now I request the host to enable the audio and video of Mr. Venkat Krishna Rao Chitturi, the next speaker of the day.
Good afternoon, Andy. My name is Venkat. My father was one of the board of directors in NCL Industries, Mr. Chitturi Subbarao. I'm his son speaking. We have some shares on my name and my mother's.
Sir, can you be a little bit louder, please?
Yeah, my name is Venkat. I am a shareholder in what is this? NCL? NCL Buildtech. And I hold some shares on my name and my mother's name. The folio number is on my name is IN 300 21456 358526. I would like to know the share certificate numbers and the respective share numbers on this folio number. Rasco.
నోట్ చేసుకోండి.
మనం చెప్పాలి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్న ఫోన్లోకి షేర్ సర్టిఫికేట్ నెంబర్ చెప్పాలి.
Anything else, sir?
My mother also has some shares in NCL Buildtech. The folio number is IN 300 214557 45352. I would also like to know the share certificate numbers and respective share numbers on her folio number, on her name.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
నెక్స్ట్ స్పీకర్.
So I request the host to enable the audio and video of Ms. Satya Usha Rani Chitturi, the next speaker.
Speaker shareholder is not connected in the meeting.
Oh, okay, thank you. Now I request again whether we can try with Mr. Yogesh Doshi, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, go ahead.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman and Board of Directors. I
So your voice is very low, sir.
I think this is the
Yeah.
maximum I can
Yes.
speak about.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
In fact, I would congratulate the team for improving the results since last year. There was one request from me since last 1 or 2 years regarding the business activity. We have main activity in investments, then we have renewable energy, and then we have real estate or land holdings. Can we give our company a reflective name so that the all activities are covered in this? Because holding only name holding does not reflect all the activities which our company is doing. And if we can demerge and do some kind of main activity to some eligible or expert head for every activity, and can give them free hand to do these three activity so that we maximize our profit and we create value for stakeholders. Can we get this three activity demerged and give our company a reflective name which can suggest we are into three businesses, not only holding business. How is going forward would be our dividend policy, sir. We are earning almost 30-40 rupees a year, and we are giving only 2 rupees, 1.5 rupees dividend. Going forward, are we planning to increase this dividend, or is there any significant capex? So we are conserving or preserving our profits. Thank you so much, and please consider my request for name change of the company, and if we can have different heads for different activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all. This was the last speaker for the day, and we are done with all the queries of the speaker shareholders. Now I request our CFO to answer the queries of the speaker shareholders.
At the outset, thank you very much for the
Please.
You can continue.
okay. At the outset, thank you very much for the interest shown in participating in our AGM and giving guidances and suggestions for the development of the company. And at the same time, raised some clarifications of the information sought by the shareholder. I would like to make an attempt to clarify all the things. The first shareholder has asked about the wealth creation. So once the company is going smoothly with the improving the top line and bottom line, it is continuously improving with the wealth creation. Present net worth of the company is roughly 1,848 crores. So that is the reason from the beginning of the after last 4 years we have increased it to this net worth. The second shareholder, another shareholder asked about the major business activities and etc. regarding usage of the labor, contractor, construction usage. Keeping this, presently we are in the land bank and selling and major activity along with the renewable energy. And in real estate, if at all present construction activity has been developed, done under the development agreement. In future, if anything is there, we'll surely will take your guidance or support. Again, to continue the listing, somebody has asked, it may be management decision and shareholders decision at a later date. I need not. Once it is listed, market cap may increase as you are wishing. Regarding share certificates and folio numbers, quantity and etc., our company secretary will mail to the concerned shareholder with all the required details. Coming back to the matter of name, ledger and scheme. Regarding the name availability, we have actually, as you rightly said, we are also having made number of objects changes. Company has received a proposed change its name to better reflect on the expanded objectives added to the memorandum of association pursuant to the merger of subsidiaries into it. In this connection, your company has made an application to the registrar of companies and the efforts are in place to obtain the approval at the earliest. However, we are waiting for some regulatory authorities NOC, so which has been asked with the registrar of companies. We are sure that will be further addressed and we will try to look into that. Second point regarding merger. Megawatts. Hydro division has been in KAPL as a separately, even though in the composite scheme we have prepared. In earlier, with the shareholders agreement, this is hydro division has been started putting the project in KAPL as a separate division and fully controlled and operated by the NCL Holdings only. So as per the shareholders agreement and in the interest of, we are proposing to expand our activities into renewable energy, etc. We are proposing to take our hydro division into NCL Holdings. This scheme is already in the starting. Lot board meeting scheme is approved in 26th August, and the same was maybe filed to the NCLT at the earliest. That may be in the first week of October or something like that. Another point with reference to demerger only what I have explained, the hydro division and increase in dividend in the future relieves the name. Coming back to the dividend increasing further. Presently, consistently management policy, as per I understand from the board, the consistency in keeping the retaining the dividend growth as well as the company's interest. Because the present cash flows and etc., we would like to earn some more and regularize the debt structures and everything. In continuous manner, the management may take a call of further improvement. We will put before your review. Regarding the increase of the capex in future and etc. As on today, as per my advice, there is no special plans for anything unless some special projects are coming up and further projects and etc. We are having any ideas like that, then we will take a management take an appropriate decision at that point of time. Any unanswered questions or anything, we will surely you can send a mail. We will send a response in the by mail also.
Thank you, sir. With this, we have answered all the questions and finished the question and answer session. I want to thank all the members for their queries and views. Since there were some technical issues with the audio connectivity, we are sorry for the inconvenience caused to all because of this. If any member has any further queries or any queries from the shareholders attending the meeting who has not registered as speaker, they can send their queries through email to the secretarial department and it will be answered appropriately. Now I thank everyone present over here, including the members who are present through video conferencing, for taking out time for attending this 8th annual general meeting, and the CDSL members along with the staff of the company for the smooth conclusion of this meeting. We hereby declare the proceedings as closed. Thank you.
Madhur, can we stop the recording and end session? Hello. His meeting is concluded.
Can we close the recording?
Yeah, we are closing the recording.
As the meeting is concluded, can we end the recording?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Asif,
Thank you.
you can stop the recording and end session.
Please close the meeting.